Now we are discussing about new topic, that is drainage system. So I'm showing you the proper drainage system. But in rural areas of our country, there is no proper drainage system for the sewage disposal. Now I'm showing you in the next slide. So now you can see there is no proper drainage system for the sewage disposal. This results in sewage getting stagnated in pools around houses, and it will offer a perfect breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies. And in some places there are open drain, as you can see in this figure, in this slide. So such drains get easily blocked by the plastic bags and begin to overflow. So decay of organic matter present in the wastewater, it causes unpleasant smell, and the germs of cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, it can grow in such type of water. Okay, so hence a proper wastewater disposal system is necessary for healthy living. Like this, you can see this is a proper drainage system. Okay, so now I am showing you the sewage system. Here you can, in this slide you can see the sewage system. So what is sewage system? It refers to the network of underground pipes that transfer the sewage from the point it is produced to the point where it is treated before being disposed. Means, what is the sewage system? It refers to network of underground pipe. As you can see in this animation, these are the underground pipes that transfer the sewage from the point it is produced to the point where it is treated before being disposed. So here you can see the sewage system, and the sewer pipes, these are made up of cast iron, or you can say PVC, and they are connected to the pipes of the large diameter called sewer main. And this sewage leaves houses through sewers and flow through sewer mains until it reaches a wastewater treatment plant. And the covered manholes, I am showing you the covered manholes, these are provided at regular intervals to carry out repair work. So these are what? These are the manholes. These are usually round in shape, because a round manhole cover cannot fall through its circular opening. A square, rectangular and oval manhole cover can fall in if it is inserted diagonally into the hole. So round shaped cover is easy to move from place to place. So I am showing you the and in this slide you can see the covered manhole. So these are provided at regular interval. Why? To carry out the repair work. Okay, so one topic is left, that is eutrophication. So what is eutrophication? I am discussing about eutrophication now. Sometime excessive amount of plant nutrient such as phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, these are the nutrients of plant nutrients. Again I am repeating the name of the nutrients, like nitrogen, potassium. These are washed into lakes. You can see this lake, and through the agriculture runoff, or you can say untreated domestic sewage is there. And this causes what? Excessive growth of algae. You can see in this pond green color. What is this green color? This is the growth of algae. So this is known as eutrophication, and it will lead to the depletion of dissolved oxygen in the water body. And as a result, aquatic animal and the plants, they will die and water begins to stink. Again I am telling you about eutrophication. Eutrophication means that growth of algae. How? Due to the, again I am repeating, excessive amount of nutrients like nitrogen and potassium when washed into the lakes or ponds through agriculture runoff, then what happened? It will causes the excessive growth of algae. This is known as eutrophication, and it will lead to the depletion of oxygen which is dissolved in the water. And by this, what happened? Aquatic plants and animals will start dying, and the water begin to stink. Okay, thank you.